now you both they marry. The you know the you conja. If you both they make you come as you they say you they come, madam come. What did they use black man they do for Wortoworto? Wait till they use black man they do. If you believe them at your own risk. No na mames I'm a wild woman. Wild one. If you believe them, just they fool yourself for them. Once they don't on their camera, their mat no break pad. Because you know why? They are so loose. Like person will told they worry. Like person will get loose bar. They don't know how to match break with their mat. They know the reason before they talk. Especially, you better even wow, according the yoga. If it is true you want to get married now, congratulations. Your mommy, you're true. If we are married on the 20th, we can congratulations on your wife important. We can only if you believe that, imagine, wait, it's a simple mathematics. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Right? Person saying I saw you put money for our head. We never for one day see picture where you take follow go house, go marry. But they will come the laugh person where carry her husband go all the way to tornado. There we not see you. Or you not be one because they were. You not be go biri. Okay. Or my forever. Because me for the balamore for later one. Now make me say Mona pray for me. I don't want that kind of marriage. This is my thermal marriage. I don't want her. Oh, my sweetheart. Daddy frankly Osazuwa me. I talk with Esa. Adazoba Dazebo. Domo. Me, I don't want that kind of marriage. Because if you take a very good look at them, all glass in them, 11 minutes after 11. Thank you, Sharon Love. Now so their life turn upside down for later one. They go deceive you, come up for your own husband house. You will be the try. You will your husband say they see 50 euro they break one. You will your husband they try. For you to join hands, make everybody try the try. They go you know you worry. So say as this glass turn upside down, so their life be. They're confused for later, but they can never tell you they are confused. If not, why not? Listen to me. They say they marry Oyibo. Someone. Now so Oyibo put money for their head. Now so anytime where a care tell you sweet them. Do you tap Oyibo ya? Yere. Do you talo se divertire? Do you divertire? Right? It's okay. It's your life. But why not for later one? Waiting. Una wan kon le mot de vafo. Waiting, una see they use black man do. Or what we can take pa ne mi ane for we enti papa popo. Or we enti papa popo e na wo. Papa popo no we can ta lo kian waga he buwa. O ma no wo we do ma. O ma no wo do e ma e do e san igbo ijo ko na ri mi odo. O ma no wo do e ma. Marriage is very sweet. Not be scam. Now people be scam. Like all these frustrated, organic, mechanical people. Now they make some life the entire person. And if you follow their math, you are finished. They go tell you, say, just bow, na piki bi as yo. Na piki yo do moya nyak bi agwa bi iya ye bi never maguya. Iya ye ba, iya akba ya stay, iya ya agwa leke black man. Warum, mi vrou, warum. Warum you do ekia? Warum? Eke boy be nourish you. Eke boy be nourish you, mi vrou. Ma va teni di meta. Why? Una don't deceive youth. Una don't spoil so many youth life. Una don't congratulations we say FOWE adazorin. And that's all he me and my team don't receive him. Eh? Una go condemn children life, but una go sabi papa una wanna live for us, make them marry. Una go sabi advice now. The una this social media. Una say that wa fear gani. God they look una. God they look una. Una go tell youths, tell young ladies. Say no. Why let's turn up well? In fact, na no dey buy ice fish yo. Na no dey buy melusa magala scoopia o. Na no fit o tilapia o gbogbo ti gbo oríṣiríṣi na no dey fit do o. But for later, mo na come swear una head put. Mo na swear down na juju una do give a gidi for inside house. Make una swear and put say if una reach the black man house and no dey cook. Imagine an Edo woman proudly saying you have a whitey at the same time you have a black man. What an error. What an error. But you not take different for the one we say go return bride price at the age of 53. Tony Maguala. You all of you are the same. Go what is it different? Why can't you just come and play with a sugar with Coca-Cola Becky Bonnie? Two equal support to be by then as Okoni. Before Monoba talk before I ever ban this Okuku, there's according to them, why I know vision. They say they don't marry before now. They don't carry Botoki go house. Make they show the picture. We go know whether na old picture. Whether na convive or that they do with Botoki. May we know. They can't use a bomb man. A bomb man. You see their life. You see their life. Those kind of people, they are vast person they take. Person they take. No wonder. Bien more one. Bien more. I can't do marry. Bien problem effort. They will never want you to settle. The pikin is just their own priority. Like seriously? Do you think it's easy to single-handedly raise up a child? Wait, be said the tell one not single-handedly they raise now. Everybody know where we for the see for Ezidogo. Now there una for the see. You just like that kind of error with this so. Who you want leave pikin for? Who? That era don't pass. This is the era of women. If you don't marry right, if you don't marry early, marry right. If you don't marry early, marry right. Go see most of the way marry early, they not still marry right. At the evening of their life, they are still working towards perfection. Now those people go come live video, come broadcast live, finish. At the back of the camera, they find my way two of them want to do together in God's family. And what am I mean? I might be a one to your family where they want to do. So now that kind of life, I want everybody to live. Long time. We want to for work in Nigeria. Come on, my love. Eh? Now that kind of one, that person defend. After all chemical don't finish. Chemical engineer. Tell me now. Tell me one good advice. Where that one will come advice couple. Even person we will never marry. Never marry. Like Daki to Daki. I got experience than them. If you see person where like in marriage break, not be her intention. Not be what she want, but shit happens. If you want break, you go break. I can't. No, you want pure water. The advice for you is for you calm down. There are still good people. Even if at that, make sure you make one a perfect person for you. Those ones, you go know say, yeah, they don't want you to make the same mistake they made. But you see how la lunwa berian in le monde de vana. Awo piona. Okay, mama. There no he. Because I finish the video na ya. Just give me time. I will make provisions for you, mama. Avian in le monde de vana. mota mogwe tiga lelebo kokorudu. Mota mogwe tiga lelebo jeme. Mota mogwe tiga lelebo. O tuni wiyan lelebo ni unero bo la yan wa ni keni ire wa. Awi kwoliro we bo no ma fi akara adaze wa kin. Uji no gwada we ben ma munu wa ma fa ma wa wo won me. Mo ne doya yo mo ne doya gan wa kin. Awo gwevani no so webo o webo gbogbo o ga so e black man nyanya yan ni maka teni ya fa wa eni ya fa wa ya fa wa ale la kin emi na wiri yan yan ga wo yo ma le ko se ebo emegbe ebo de ki sorry black man o ye gbe o okeje problem ero mi ati we ya yore dere on black man unwa ne gberu da omo na gbon ti la nwa ne gbe o agbon re o wa ne gbe o ro se le enemi sunu da wenne we ke do ga nwa potoki omo na gbon ti nwa ne gbe o nwa ne gbe yen to to yan ati san kun meme iya ga mu meme re o kin san Jesus, I would have known better. That's my almost up by your 7 years. Look here. Look here. I want man. Okay. I don't ever why ya who wa the letter wa. The ebo we walk in the way the siekbo. Na why the siekbo. Why the back why mugi black man. Why mugi black man. Inye bo wa makpan wa debo do yezeye no ton wa mu. Why on wa si go wa. Why e gbe gbagege ye bo wa. Ara ve ti ko ni ro godo. Why e lad. Oh, jama so me. So is yen wa na mu de ye ko mo ko because aga banu wa gan o wa ye na kokiza aga banu wa gan o wa ye na kokiza ije me no game my superstar ito adazoma adazesi Gina Posh Entertainment my superstar ito jenogi aga banu wa gan o wa ye na kokipiya wa ye na old layer gbe wo wa re eri kai oja ma so mi oja ije le mi ki ga go oje me ma re ge ki o muri eri kai na tena we o vera gwali dagbo eto vera gwali dagbo ima era re we dokpa o vera gwali dagbo o keke aya e ma ya kan o vera gwali dagbo bega gbugba ale wo kan mi won fo because wọ́n me ten oro wa gbe do wa pete gbon wa fi wa to bu wa ta orin very useless set of people you were me Peter Stone do mo no wa apete gbon wa fi wa kan ta wa dai wa doloji o wa ye na fa mo mi oye fie oye se oye kelede wa mu fi yan bo ni amu yan manerere gbana na tita lo wa yan wo to no wa water after all I might cross a boundary but then I cross it na 20 men go fall ebo we mu yunuta ebo wa mu yunuta agwa lo ya wo wala na we ke bo phone o yen yin phone mi ro pa riro o èmi ro pa riro lu e gone ya vie Lucy ya vie pe no na ni ya lugu me na ni drop e yin wa ni ya me ni mi na vie se ni bi ata lo wugo le ka bu dan iya mi wo kan no yin si yen wo devil but wa le won si davio wa mare mo ma wa unyi won wana ou qu'on attend yo venir là do carré no je avec bad difference comment on no mudia wa di ayawa on me no mudia wa di ayawa no be zeye no shake wa kule yafo e kulo no wa kule ni wa ya kule because o wa mama wa ma bo won me wa ma bo do e ma gbon ni gele won me bo aje vacances e bo emu ya la dian ale yo ere vi fi no muzo iyan le je bichi eze iyan le la dian ami wa be bo restaurant wa ze kian wa gba mo piche 1940 wa ye dada ye la bidun kian wo wa diji awun dan omo no le lu wa ogo e sa bo egun le lu wa lote sa bo se ri ose e ma gbon ni gele on me bo ya rian ere bo mu ya re ko amugo jiyan wa vie Canada re amalaki wa viore awi vie nu wa gbanya huni wa viore ni ma re fe gbe gbuwa fe gbe squad association ave nene mi ko mo gere ti ve ni ju wa kai wa igbe o ku wa ya ku wa ya igbe o ku gbe no gba river o ko no wa me problem kia agwa mie wa o bugwa na mie ni ya wa ti yo ene no ru wa gbe ya bu o de no we no we wa ti ta we e de wa gbe o kan wa gbe o a mistake ni wa make na ni o guess wa make o wa ta wa ga de wa do di ai wa ga total wa we to na gbe wa bu wa gbon o wa gbo piye de aba ke no wu na le di no keke wa sal wa ri baba wa do sori wa do ri un fu wa bo wa mu egbe wa mu egbe no there's no ati do I am ever ready wa ye mi ya vun hian ye mi ya vun e bo ya mi wa ta wa ye ya vun wa gbon wa hun avec dirty human bi aba gbin won yan yoko aba sile na bi ye gba ka o se oyin won wa na o se oyin wa o wi a e on gbon e fish no hypocrite dan e tout est just word no ogweva dan le to gbon ya si won owe ya no tera mera mori ari obosa so pian ni mu ewon ese o eni boatie iboze okun ni la o baba kameba iboze o wana me ya bien muri ya no so onu so onu to so fa ni ya so fa so nu test so that you will know better. O eri gwale agbon meji o we swe di agbon me gaje we nu gwale ta agbon meji o je gaje e da agbon me mu fi osabo we gaje o we no gwale ta agbon meji o je gaje iye we o mami o ku omola o bi o ma bi e omo ni marere bi e be bona na mi na ogun me mumu we wa ya koko obi wa na sun agwa le bokian wa na mune na ni mune kerazige ezi horo wa ya wa ni ta ami ele wona eyin mu we ni he mumu na be ya anyu eji ni ya koko mo ni ele mi ebo egbenu wa mi wa owo pa wa then they made it like 45 or 50 il est pas il c'est beau elle a bien vané il y a quoi le black man ala derrière keni ekegui wow va mason no bino maro agun wa ni o me na gbu wa je wa to pu wa mu gbe da gbu wa Okay. Wa mu gbe da gbo wa. Wa mu da gbo wa. Owe no mure gbedagbe. Egbare. Owe mi egbegwo. Da mani yosa o. Awa no kweni. Egbe obolo. Ali mwa osa. No saka e no de. Unwa. Mure gbedagbe nu ya onyiwe. Onyiwe utie ni we ne rabi we hewe. Utage gboere. Do dejo. Daga we nu wo ma re na. Ukono le mo deva. Be leta wa. We ni spend me we ase we. Oge boy ago boy dake ago. We desa. We wa re cotton. Iwa yere de mak. We ni agwa la apostle we wodo. Na wa nu jebo. Kere no. Meto ayo agbo. Neru le. Itu ayo. Egbe awon mi degbe iwe deactivate akati. I agba mesa won. I degbe re buyan ade. Iyan egbe aga gbari e tabun bo. Ewo azama mani jeme wa tope je no gi. Ije no muse. Domo la vezeje. Aga gbari e tabun bo. Any British got talent. Yeah, you can call na phone akia. Hamu danawe man village people get no here na. Yeah, go here and gbede ne. Yeah, a British got talent. Muge gbedagbo e kono le mo deva. Ashi ewo. Wa itoto di ayo pente oye muse oyu kmonsu oyu nusu kmon yu egbe. Ona he iwo. Ele do. Mommy golden. I see you. Koje. Bejo wo. Oh tiens. Yeah. Yesu sagbe o. Yesu sagbe o. Hello. Hello. You know why ya? You know pa. Go ahead ya. E do wi yo ko talegbe ma. Men we. Onu me ni yari ebe. O tu ya ni gele suse le lodo no enegbe soro iwe soro ni gele suse o odo ni eyin amami e o be mo ma because e ra gwe itavero be to go no na aga lalu mu abena ire no uru be na opin ki awe loge ho na ara roro na wa muru pa ki ogo na alafia dan a me gbe bi se dogun a hen ise na dana Ahe se na dana bi tubu ere nuta wawu wafia bua wata mata meria bu wata ba se wani awi yo bom jene do wata no ina tota ijeme asemuta ivime no daze koje ivi asemuta Baba Mego wa tope no wa domo when I thought we no kweri yo bono da fun ebe no hu so ba no jagbon je no ji ma wewe we may support wewe ewe ni ele ni eton ni efian ni ayeye ni e de school bien ale la ni ihun ya se gbe baza ni isese no ri o se igbon no ri o se reki uwe ni e de Alexander my lover mommy so1 how are you love Utane Old Women Association, Old Women Conglomerate, Reni je kai. Ame de double chemical engineer. You have le mo deva. Why signorebo? Why signoredo? Ha! Ogi yako. Egile no gba kan egilato. Egilato. Wa titi. Mommy gift ni je evo mommy koje. Waratiti. What? Here I muya na can't cry a bimel niaze. Oh, I know neata. How do you feel? How do you feel now? How do you feel that at your age you le more deva? We don't talk about a content in to wow. Oh yeah, just. Ava chawo awo ke bush inspector. Awo ke forest guard. Why total gallantly, with full confidence, teaching the Jay-Z generation where Oh, what is of no use? That will be here. Oh, happy birthday, Egwijeme. It's a guy, Yoje. Laho, Jabome, Jenoge. Long life and prosperity. I wish you every good thing that life will offer you. Happy birthday, love. Eh? Why can be a candidate one day? Well, what do I use? What be a? Teti gele amwe ko pa ba bi do we yegbe ko won. Oh! Ama bi e mase. Ama de bi e mase. Teti wo ke gun you do we. You don't hear how in my ko ke no de gbo degbe. Sa ba na gun e de ye ke de wo kie. La ho, mama we wa so gwale. La video na do ya mema. Ahewa bia my people. The way you do have so one now. I say no woga ake woga. Oni oga efo. Wo gbi mi. Iga sweje do. Iye ke no ma o. So Iga sweje do. Iye ke no ma o. Eru ya sume. Ama esatori owo heu ama esatori owo eso emegege o ama esatori owo mekata ekpunu edowe logo na pe pa pe ri an o mama kiridi ayafin we no wa di mewo una pa ona ya gwa le fun no ba mi owo meje wa igwa lo me ba wa ri tie me ba ni ya bie owo meje abi owo meje ka magbon de owo be do mu me fin ke to ta wo ge me ki me wo be si amegbe ni do time agbon anytime why I we come wa avulo do time agbon adega wo ge me ki me una le si ame una le si gbe ni do ta la dian do ta se we no do ta gun egware la eni mo pa na ta lo la ni se do ta do go me va o me va la gbe adane ni arugun emogun gbo ewe aga miere wo gwa lo me ni aga miere wo tie mi nugume ni yo gun bi sago we ni ye we ha ni we no gbu e enu tie me ba nu do ta enu wa gwa e no ba me ba nu do ta o si e imaria buwa iti o se meyin he upa fion na mi o kwa oko na mi e no ba igi se no bie eno mo abie na abie ri aya bie igi ka vitamin C yuwe no kion mo me vitamin C o kion mo me o ni mu geso e vitamin C o kion mo me ni mu ge Suzy abi la na wa no mi wo fi gan no mi e wo gun ogwe ene no ma gyo na te mata shut up wa imwe gan mo o wa ila edin amujo to wa dole me mi wa gbon abi de didan wa mi o kan wa ene na o ya o kan wa o ma na kan wa ni me egwe bo wa ri ma wa gbadu e ki ene na o pe de ala wa o si e wa le nene igwa lo imenorere gba sorry igwa le me ile nene iyere ne gbe meje ri ami eme imanari abe wala we wa iwa mare vere ilawa ha wa towe aga gbari e tabubo ko bore no nwa mu gbokuta ohun wa amunya ko se no nwa no mani we no nwa bi okan no o wa amobo niyan wa mi oyin oro bi mo gbuta na agbe owo ni pendi wa no ile dede 3 for 5 legacy we dede Saturday market My one, I my very or do man like me. Ni big again or we. No do tell me no answer. Can you tell me I'm bana wo no do tie. Wa me. Wa me. Wa we bina ya kokojo. I know they forgive her. She too do. Baba Peter, she too do. If I not call this woman now she even call me. Now she find my number. Now she tell me say see who give her my number. Which is okay. Thinking say she's giving me a real advice. Or mama dore. I'm waiting to regret. Well, you not regret already now. Oh no now no low me where mamure. So far when he be. Ko ate. Because I'm a asaya ho na ya be. Wa mi do to atole gbere o. Do hun no wa ta mi me. Me ma we wa bi me. Me ma we wa recutable. Me ga veje gbenu wa gbe. Me ha je gbenu wa gbe o. Wa remenu wa gbe. Wa mana gbe me. Awe ki agban wa. Ni ju wa ke lo me wa wu. Unu wa ri ya re ku ka me we ha. Owo kan na we si obowo. Wata. If you wear o prrrr. Wa gyowe le jon gyowe uto. Uga me wa zin egbe mo manori oja. Abi erio. Wana ma Jessica love you name my lover. Egbe mo manori oja. Omo ze yobo. You itere we. Be fi awa o eni ya re gbe ya wa like. Oye wetin ya ti gan papa ga ro gi me awo. Especially when you see like people you look like the person you hold to a very high esteem breaking your heart. It's so bad. Why must it be them? Oh yeah, boy, my can because my woman, my man in this space now. The boy my di me raw. But since so born e uroko, my can le deke. I dollar my one. I told him I said guabone. Because they believe in you, that's what they believe in. So let me go dirty with them. I know what they know. Where do my yaki? Let's do it in their own way. Doesn't matter. I'm a baboning about or let's do it in their own way. In the language they will understand better. No ya huo kwa wake akatioli na aketiye minareba. My good people, I'll say now women. One ama, igwa. Ekeni je ami ogyogie. Emi ade ikale moka sense because yen vene gbe meje. Iga nwegbe mene igwa ewewo. Ime iwo ogozwo ne yewe to my satisfaction. They offended me too much. Agwa Suzy awa gun no ma gwan yen na. Agwa. Emene me girenia ona ilawa. No ni wa ya ha pe kere wo kwiti la kere wa dere. O ya fie ga na ke no ma na keke. Sweetie egbe me yi ma fa na. La be se o. No ni wa ya te o wana gbo ike ana gbe he. Si Asaboro na wa be de na to bere de. Ya ti gbo na. Uga ti gbe me dan be saga iya in fact ide gbe la ko eko igwale ko are la ide gbe fi omo ije me wu ni ide gbe fi omo ade gbe bi ene u mare o me wi ya gberere menere ya le si o ma he mu da putu we ge we be me o gbewe uwa mo soro boy me ku de 25 na ni ko we marriage na ye be henede on the 20th of July marriage me so ima only lemo de va ena when ka sona we man good morning da o sa ne gbe me. That is why we love you, because you are a good person. We said that the picture he won at all on one Ne do amanu se lo amaije. Iga do bole we kwe me kere. Okay, over me. Ain't the apology no totage. Here we follow apology. Yes, I have to do it. If be a wrong go money. You got wrong go money where? For my own peace. Oh man, you give your money a bet. You so bad beg it away. A home okay. I say, Iba apology. I let it come from the inside. Ah, kuwa ise kugbe Suzy. Sorry, and I quick one who wears snake kugbe saga. Why never come here? I take be any cool. Why ne wuki ome na ti gbime nefe no yo mercy obiake equal 4.5 of you people we want tale chapara pra chana. Hey, this is saga. I time energy. I view ore by no ro me gbe view me iya wo no ro egbe we kun enu we gbe make sure no ya wo no ya organic cream udenuma buo Sandra wa do bunle e Sandra wo ke la wodo da udenu bu we buo ode we no bie muri e tu ka ma ta yin wodo ato ta ye wa e tu a ka me Sandra bie muri o wa ka ma de Sandra bie muri bi me mama ta a gbogo no fiwe wa jo wa ke media e mo akeke de ni ale din tu ya fo be na pa ya be wie ma bi se wa mudia kene wa jo wa ke media. Just want to go at him, why go shut up. It's all right. You know what said that so? Too pele. Too pele. Cause me man who are in waje. Bibi Suzy. Suzy Natalu nunya. O kwa no kwa girenya. Suzy na jiye kebo. Suzy uga ide kegenya de. O body way. Hello, Suzy. You know, body USA. Ama mi okere a. Not be who asked for forgiveness, they'll forgive. What Suzy did to me was very, very wrong. Very, very wrong. If not for anything, I go forgive and bet. I need to deal with her today. Because person will beg me for a matter. Yet you bug better than one. So you can't go anywhere now. Ni make sure one time ye when better na igbe ne na tell ni ata na ne but only marry mighty wa e wefu iwa he we kere or trigger me de gbe de amani de respect I me yan mani o ha ge agwese gun ne e say go be frank ejo do no gbugbe yan oni ejo do abi o ha ge agwa felele gun she not go there when no one feel okay you day your day. Iya wa luwe. Enu o ha ni ugwe na ha gwe nye da Sandra. Sandra wa na agwi. O ha gwe ka me Sandra we wa bie muri. O ma mi azwa to. Mo ni la wa bi me. Mo ni wa mata wo. To a wa do lojo. To agwa le nu ya ti o hu awe enu sie Sandra to ka me we ri anyi wo wodo. Ami no momo je. Ami oh, etoni we yaga iwe. Igo. Ami na momo bi je. Ami otuno we yaga mukena. Eropa emu aboy. Eropa emu aboy da di Peter Stone. Owe Suzy ya e. Asaboro ya bie. De na we milisi okuzebude. Sa oba we se rita se yo hero. Suzy adofin backbone anyone ye wa lakebo. Ebo ma we aya do enigbe. Yeah, that is stone. You know, gift. And Suzy we me ma. Oh, yeah, boy is well understood. Yeah, boy, ma tie me de we ya pie. Yeah, boy, ma gwa no ba me la bi. Enu wa uni me. That the Peter Stone. Mommy gift. Why ane so ta? O bi ogbebo. O ma kan ko e di ogbebo ba ni re we no mu akan. Why ane so no ye Suzy di over. Why anu ewa. Ku we ka Asaboro do ma no tie gbe. Oninaga ubu. Jessica love, help me write down for you, may I not forget. Between me and Suzy, who find each other, no, but they call each other. That one could be one. And when I tell Suzy, when Suzy tell me, she don't find my number, say, oh, may I do my bone. When me ask her, that was what prompted me to even tell her. Because nobody can beat their chest. I said, this is what Asaboro told me in the corner. Never. let me ask Suzy, after she don't make that parable, she don't tell me that word, say, go bon, go bon, go bon. Now I come tell her, say, not be to bon, this UK no easy. See the husband where I be see oh. No, mama boy go collect that one. Yeah, go clear. Just relax. Now she go on camera. The day where she dey collect, she go on camera. I can't tell my Suzy. Say Suzy, see oh. I be see husband where I still like you. Una mama no gree oh. Hee, amata. Usho. You know. Te wa mo ko. Where hon? Me where mo ko e mo ko. Na we o. O mo mi. We dey lele, we wa bie, we wa like say I'll just open my kpekus down. Water will dey this my bedroom. Go your the enter inside my avian, you go your turn to picky for me. Mona ask Suzy whether I not tell her. Mona ask Suzy say which role she play. Mona still ask this say Suzy where he says they under her foot so. Say since she claims say she knows the one where he say or one more or sorry or one whether she even call her on my behalf. Wait till she talk. Mona help me ask Suzy. Now make that Suzy juju. Not be that it's a go where she dey cut her gidi for. No. Me and Suzy go. My papa go put one, Suzy go put one. Me she can't talk. But that lie. What did Suzy do? Which role Suzy do? Suzy no care. So far, if I mean a mad, give me belly. Then if you can't the orient nigga, you make nobody go la love for me. My enemy can't dey test my sweat. Suzy will say, time I will any. Why I be here? The waiting I must be a bamona will be there. We're talking a saloon, yeah. Here I win a ubele there is Spain. Then I met a mubele there, UK in here now winner. You came back by more tontore and bella bejo. Cato J, Ugbe Joe here. Really here, Cocomo. Ekpa ubi, your paco kay. Irigero, anya money get a hero egbe. Eri maybe Jimo wako kime. So therefore, me one more party me pa coco, me eti gwen a lady or say bonny lene zigo no more. What's here? You must zigo now. My brother, you must zigo, you must be in your child's life. You must, it's a must, no that and no peace. Eje mo pa coco me, eje mo wako me. Yes. What caused that? She want to lure me into that. She want to lure me into that problem. Daddy Peters, I can't me kwe. He gave me a man a wowa. Jame no magbo. He gave me nada ze. A mother figure. Eke me any week way. To be fair. Suzu ya pon oge. Ti wa mi gbin awa aje yen yo yi. Weekend te wa kun ake orerere. Wallahi. Orerere. Ko se mi nu me awo ma e. Ya is a low weekend. Wa no de ti mu apo ma bejo. Api ju e la to ari agbon no bi e to po ya amujo ya gbo. Eri awo ese. Imu akpa ejo ya egbuwe. You make enough feel Any awo ese. You go attack your past. Already boomeri. I wape you are akun. O medin. Hono lemo deva. No, yeah, no one cry.